There seems to be an issue with the following thyroid's feeds on Instagram, where these features are not loading correctly or are not appearing at all. Let me explain. Instagram offers favorites and following features to help you manage the content you see. The favorites feature allows users to prioritize posts from selected accounts, while the following feed displays content from all the accounts you follow. Normally, to access these features, you typically tap on the Instagram logo in the top left corner of your feed. Then you click on the small drop-down arrow, which should reveal the two options. However, some users have reported that the following tab, which used to show posts from accounts they follow in chronological order, is either missing or not displaying all posts. Similarly, a favorites feature, which allows users to prioritize posts from specific accounts, is either not accessible or not showing in accounts in that list. For some users, the Instagram logo at the top of their feed does not provide the option to switch to the following or favorites view. First and foremost, it's important to know that this issue is currently affecting many users, so you are not alone. There is nothing wrong with your account. Additionally, there has been no official update from Instagram regarding this issue, so the solutions I'll provide are temporary workarounds for now, but I'll keep you updated on any changes. The first recommendation is to ensure that your app is updated to the latest version, as this can fix glitches and enable new features. So you need to go to your Play Store or App Store and ensure that your Instagram app is updated. A second workaround is that, since this issue is mainly affecting posts, the Reels section still has the following feed functioning properly. To access it, go to the Reels section. Then you click on the Reels text at the top left of any reel and choose Following. The reels from the account you're following should then appear. Lastly, the final option is to report the issue to Instagram. While this may not directly fix the problem, reporting it can help make Instagram aware of the situation and bring them to address it more quickly. So to report the issue, log into your account, then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner to open Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and select Help. Then report a problem and follow the prompts. So for more updates, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that I can keep you informed.